Hi dear friends, today I'm sharing apple oats smoothie. It's a great smoothie for losing weight or maintaining your weight. So let's get started. Over here, this is one apple which is cut into 1-inch chunks. So I'm putting this in. Over here I have quick oats and I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons or half cup of the oats. We will also need half lemon juice or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm adding this. We will need half cup of water and half cup of skim milk or non-fat Greek yogurt. So I have a skim milk. I am using half cup of this. And now we will blend everything together. If you like the taste of apples, you can add 2 apples instead of 1 and keep the other measurements or the proportions the same as I mentioned. So this is an apple lemon oats smoothie, but if you have any other fruit like a banana, I do have, so I'm adding chunks of banana into it, which makes it more delicious. So give it a try and let me know how it works out for you. I hope you have enjoyed this smoothie recipe. It's quick and easy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Make it for yourself and enjoy it. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.